The earliest record of this herb's cultivation and use for medicinal purposes recorded is Ancient Kemet, modern-day Egypt. Historians found this herb seed and oil in Tutankhamun's tomb, an Egyptian pharaoh, dating back to 3,300 years ago. In 1964, biomedical literature confirmed that this herb has healing properties that stimulate the regeneration of dying beta cells within a diabetic pancreas. This herb kills MRSA and it heals the chemical weapon poison body. As a matter of fact, since 1964, there's been over 458 published testimonies testifying to the healing properties of this. Greetings, YouTube. Welcome to Conscious Waves, a channel that's dedicated to inspiring people live in optimum health through understanding organic foods and herbal medicine. If that is what you're trying to do, please subscribe to this channel and you'll be notified next time I upload a video. This herb has different names across different cultures, but in the English language it is called Blackseed. Yes, Blackseed. That's the name of this herb, Blackseed. Biomedical literature reviewed over 40 healthy conditions that may benefit from the use of blackseed. That includes the pharmacological actions this blackseed expresses, such as pain-killing, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antifungal. It has properties that protect the lungs and the kidneys, and it is also anti-diabetic, just to mention the few things. It might sound far-fetched that blackseed has the ability to positively modulate so many different biological pathways, but in actuality, this is a common occurrence amongst traditional plant medicines such as blackseed, turmeric, and many more that I will do videos about in the near future. Blackseed has been researched for some specific conditions or chronic illnesses such as high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, colon cancer, asthma, opiate addiction or withdrawals, chemical weapon injury, just to mention a few. But there's a lot of chronic diseases. Studies have been done to see how blackseed affects or heals those so-called chronic diseases. In the case of high blood pressure, research showed that 200 mg of blackseed extracts twice a day for 2 months lowered the blood pressure of patients with mild hypertension. Asthma. A study found that boiled water extracts of blackseed have relatively potent anti-asthmatic effects on asthmatic airways. On colon cancer, although I don't condone this, but animal research showed that blackseed oil fights against colon cancer in rats without any side effects. And as a fact, they say rats and human beings, they say rats got 96% of the same genetic makeup as humans. Isn't that something? Opiate addiction or withdrawals. A study of 35 addicts found that blackseed is an effective therapy in long-term treatment of opiate dependency. Right. Chemical weapon injury. A study showed that extracts of boiled water extracts of blackseed reduced respiratory symptoms. It also showed that it reduced the need for drug treatment amongst these patients. All the above that I've mentioned, they are just only fractions of Blackseed confirmed power of healing. Conscious waves out.